Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are doing another wig review. Of course, it's a headband wig. This here was sent to me from a seller on Amazon. Of course, the wig here that we are going to be trying out, so this is a Kinky straight headband 12-inch hair. So we're gonna go on Amazon as always and check out the specs about this hair. Okay, so this is the Kinky straight headband human hair wig, 9A glueless non-lace front wig. I don't know what 9A means, correct me below please. And this is 150 density and it's machine made. Also, like I said, this is a 12-inch headband wig. So anyway, let's just open this because I didn't open it yet. I don't know what the hair looks like. The wig here, this is 100% virgin human hair. That's what it says on the box. I got two headbands, is these colors here. So I have a color like this already, and this is the other one. We got a cap in here, and we also got how to care for the hair. Okay, so this is 12-inch and it's a kinky straight, so it looks more like human hair. So I'll try to put heat on this, girl. So this is exactly how it came in the box. We'll definitely have to put heat on this because I don't like the way it looks at the bottom. It just look, oh, it just look not good. Put a little heat in the bottom just to straighten out the bottom a little bit. It looks like two different types of hair texture. Maybe it's just me, but let's just put it on. Oh, this is so tight. Okay, so I'm having a little difficulty with this because my big head girl, it is too big for this hair. So I feel like this is a little bit too, like the wig is a little bit too small. I'm gonna try to work with it, and this is what we get, girl. Just brush that. Okay, so if you want to put a little heat on it, you can. So I'm just gonna comb it out a little bit so you guys can see the length. I think it looks a little bit much better backwards. I don't know, maybe I want to because the end part just look crazy. I want it to be flat, not up like that. My little straightener and see. So my iron is on 392, not too much heat. Just to straighten out this part a little bit. And looking a little bit much better when I apply heat to it. Put a little heat on it so you guys could see that you could, you know, apply heat to this hair. I do like the length, you know, good for summer. If you don't like all that crazy hair, long hair, 12-inch is for you. I like the length, it's not that bad. So this is, the texture is more like my actual hair. Looks pretty good. You guys could see in the back here. So we have two headbands. I have this top on. I think I'm gonna go in with this headband. Yeah, so I like this headband because it actually go with my top. It looks really nice. So I'm gonna wear this one. So I'm not gonna use this one because I already have one like this. So I'm not gonna try this one on. So this is more like a natural texture here. I really do like the density. It's like a wash and go, you know, so it really don't look that bad. Really nice texture here. So if you guys like this wig, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. All the information will be listed in the description box. Also, I have an Amazon storefront, so if you guys want to shop from that link, you're welcome to do that. Subscribe to this channel, guys. It's very important if you guys subscribe. So thank you guys so much. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.